Hello again. We're here trying to do another one of my little outings. Very high winds and the temperature is -9, but it feels like -21 degrees Celsius with this temperature and the winds. The winds makes it feel a lot colder than it is. Gonna do a little bit of snowshoeing, maybe set up a little camp and cook something up, a little snack to have. Let's go. Back on the trail, my snowshoes on, and it's bitterly windy, bitterly cold with the wind, but it's bearable if you know how to dress for the winter. As I said in previous videos, make sure wear a lot of clothing, loose and layered, and you can peel off clothing as you get hot. But if it is cold, it gets too cold, you have enough clothing you can depend on. All right, so I'm trying to find a place I can set up a little camp. Let's see if there's something here. So yeah, guys, this looks like a nice place. I'm gonna set it up here. So first thing you do, you come and you flatten out your the spot where you're gonna be. Pack down the snow with your snowshoes. I got myself this little grill, and it doubles as a stove stand. Very useful. You can put it over the campfire, hold your pots, or use it as a little table. Ultralight when you're doing ultralight camping. So this is my little fold-up fork, and spoon, all into one. This here's my Coleman stove. It's a model 400B, Feather 400. I have this for a long time, and it works beautifully in the winter. It's kind of designed for the winter because, I explained before in other videos, it's got a pipe that carries the fuel from the tank. It uses white gas, naphtha, so it goes underneath, and when you turn it on, the flame from the burner heats up the gas, vaporizing it and making it like an aerosol. So it burns a lot better. You don't have the problems you have with some of the other regular summer stoves that don't light up or they don't have enough heat in the winter. So today I brought my usual noodles. They're quick, easy to cook in the bush, especially for a short stop. And in the winter it warms you up, gives you a few calories. But this time I brought some tuna, which I'm gonna mix with the noodles. I'll see you maybe next time when it's not so cold or I go for a longer trip. I might bring some steaks, sausages, or something more hearty than this soup. But this is convenient, it's fast. You know, you're walking on the trail, you boil some water, put it in there, add whatever other little condiments you want. You put like pepperoni, sausage, you know, anything, vegetables, whatever you want into your needs. Customize it every time. Guys, by the way, I didn't use it today, but if you go out in the woods, it's always good to carry a folding saw or a small axe, hatchet, so you can cut some wood if you're in an emergency or if you need to make a bonfire. It will come very useful. all packed up. We're gonna have a last look if there's anything I left behind. So, on my way back to the car. A little more snowshoeing. Have a little hike still to get there. But all in all, I think it was a great little outing. Alright guys, we're reaching the end of the trail and this trip. Hope you liked it. You had a little fun joining me on my little outings through the woods. Again, don't forget, if you like this content, you know, give me a little support, like, subscribe, and hit the button, hit the bell down below. So until next time, keep safe, have fun, and happy camping. Bye for now.